All right, so we're going to take this piece. You can see it's kind of curved up. We're going to take one side, and I'm literally just going to roll this piece, this end to this end. Okay, so I'm taking it and literally just rolling it from one side to the other. Now, once I get close, I'm going to take this side and I'm going to bring it down. Okay, so that way it all gets caught up together. And nothing gets loose once your rosebud is made. And then I'm going to take it and I'm going to band it so I know that it is not going anywhere. Okay, so now we can let go of that, and that is the very inside of our rosebud. So now we are literally taking that next piece and just wrapping it around. So you will see I line that bottom band with this band. So I just lay it right on top. So I'm essentially trying to line up these tips right here. So now we're going to take this piece, we're going to wrap it around. And tuck it maybe right inside. And then we're going to wrap. And as we do that, I'm bringing this tip down. Now you can band them, each piece, but from here on out, I'm just going to hold it and continually wrap the next piece. Always making sure I line up those tips. Okay. So just taking that, tucking it down in. And as I'm doing that, I'm bringing that top piece down and grabbing it. And then these will all get zip tied together at the end. So as it's getting bigger, it's not wrapping around as much. So I'm just bringing that tip down. Good morning, good morning. Okay, so we're a little bit bigger. So all I'm doing, see how I'm just kind of wrapping that down so that our ends do not get loose. Now you can always adjust that middle. It's sticking out a little too much for me. So, and then this one, just literally wrapping it and bringing it down, wrapping it and bringing it down. So we just made a big X with that last piece. So from here, if you want to add your wire, now I'm just using regular floral wire, and I'm going to put it right up in the middle of that mesh. Just like that. And then I'm going to take a zip tie. Just lay this down, because if your hands are like mine, my hand is now hurting. Bring it around and zip tie it. So now you're able to pose your rose because you have that wire in there. Okay. And then you can loosen it from here if you want it a little bit looser. Just kind of gently tug at it. Oh. And loosen it up. So there's our rosebud.